My Kenmore Elite Ultra Wash dishwasher keeps beeping and blinking complete and does not let me push any other buttons.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. What lights are blinking exactly, and is it a constant beeping noise, or how many times does it beep? Also, do you have a model number? It should be located on a sticker around the frame of the dishwasher and can be seen if you open the door.
The model number is XXXXX. It beeps 15 times and then the blue light blinks 4 times.
Okay, so that is not an error code for this model, that is just a control board acting up. Try to unplug the unit or turn the circuit breaker off for 60 seconds to see if the electronics will reset. If you still have the issue, then the control board inside the door needs to be ordered and replaced. Below is a link to the part you'd need to order for this model. Click here also. This is a fairly new model dishwasher, I can tell. So if it's less than a year old, please just call warranty instead of replacing the part so that you don't void your warranty, and they will replace the part at no cost. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.